I used to be a single mom in Chicago. 3 years ago, I woke up in a tiny rented apartment in the middle of a freezing winter. On the kitchen table was a divorce paper, a couple of crumpled dollar bills, and a note. "I'm sorry, I just can't do this anymore." My husband had left. I was left behind, with 2 young kids and over $35,000 in debt. No family to help, no one to lean on. Just a cashier job at Walmart, making about $1,500 a month. Barely enough to survive, let alone pay off debt and raise 2 kids. I didn't have time to break down. I had to survive, for my kids. Every day, I got up at 4 a.m. to deliver newspapers. At 6 a.m., I'd rush home, wake up my kids, feed them, and drop them off at school. By 8 a.m., I was clocked in at Walmart for my full shift. After work, I took cleaning jobs, house to house, hour to hour. And at night, when my kids were asleep, I sat at my old laptop and took free IT courses I found on Reddit. I lived like that for 18 months. No rest, no weekends. Sometimes I was so tired I forgot where I was going. But every time I looked at my kids, growing up in a cold room, eating leftovers, studying under a flickering lamp, I knew I couldn't stop. And then, finally, 18 months later, I got my first job as an IT support specialist. My income nearly doubled. I paid off every single dollar of debt. We moved out of that old apartment. My kids had their own rooms for the first time. Today, I'm not rich. I don't drive a fancy car or live in a mansion, but I've built a life with my own hands from rock bottom. And I've taught my kids one powerful lesson. You don't need someone to save you. You just need to not give up on yourself. No matter where you are right now, no matter how far you think you have to go, take one small step each day. You don't have to be fast. You just have to keep going.